see what we got going here. Oh, man. Okay. That's not good. Let's see what they're doing here. What they tried to do here. Hi. I think we're going to do some minor maintenance to the trailer today because I found some stuff that was hanging down in the last trip. So, come and join me. Okay, so this is the bottom of the trailer where the sewer line comes out, and as you can see, they do some spray foam here to insulate it, but looks like this also started splitting. They probably cut it to be able to get the pipe out of there, and there was some tape covering this, but the tape was starting to fall off, so I'm gonna try to retape it here. I got my trusty Gorilla tape here. Here's where the valves are. Yeah, this looks like this is split a little bit too. So I'm going to put a piece of tape here, and hopefully that'll keep it from splitting any further. This stuff's pretty strong. The other thing we're going to do is we're going to check the tire pressure with my gauge here, see what they're at. Pressure's holding. Oh, I guess I got to turn it on first. There we go. Okay, let's try this. Okay, 61.5. Here we are. Saying 62. Yeah, that's good. Next thing we're going to do is hang up the dog cables with these command strips holders that I got. Question becomes, where do I put them? Do I put them up here? On this side, maybe up here like that? I don't know that I like that. I might try to put them over here on this wall. Alcohol, right here, I think. Put it right on there. Right about there. Put the other one right about there. We'll let those sit and adhere up and firm up and hang the stuff that we need. So the other thing I have to hang up in that little front compartment are these, the hot dog skewers and marshmallow skewers. And so I'm going to put a couple of command hooks in the front in that compartment there. I'll try to get it up here like that. Oh, dropped it. All right. Yeah, that works nicely. That'll do it. Next task, we're going to wash the trailer. I've been saying I'm going to do this for some months now, but today I'm going to actually do it. Okay, now it's tomorrow, and now I'm going to actually wash the trailer. Here we go. I promise, I'm doing it this time. See, shake well. Oh, I didn't shake well. I have to shake well. Oh yeah, I can feel it thickening up. Shaking well. Yep, that happened. And not to worry, it can be fixed. It extended a little too far and just popped out. I put it back in. And now I've got a lawnmower while I'm trying to record the vlog. Just not my day. That's enough of that tomfoolery. Definitely got a little wet on that one. Time for a shower. All right, as you can see, we've cleaned up a little bit, and now that we've gotten most of our work done out of the weekend, we're going to go enjoy a nice, fine dinner for Father's Day.
Okay.
She's treating me.
Oh, boy.
Right? I mean, she asked me out on this date, and I couldn't resist.
Here we go.
So we came over here to Papagallo's Italian restaurant. Food's really good here. Well, we got checked in, and it's going to be about 15 to 20 minutes. It's not a bad wait.
No.
We got seated, but we just realized as we were walking in, there's all these tables of young high school kids in their tuxedos and gowns. So I think we came here on prom night. Wouldn't you say that's the case, prom night?
I would say.
They've got this nice art right above our table here. Here's the menu. Let's take a look at that. What do we got in here? We got soups and appetizers, garlic bread, gondola bread, shrimp, chicken tenders, buffalo wings, usual fare. Well, that looks interesting. Mediterranean spinach salad, Greek salad. They have a specialty pizza section where you can create your own. I don't think we're doing pizza tonight. And they've got pasta and chicken, Alfredo, veal, seafood and beef, Tuscan steak, and surf and turf. Last time I was here, I got the shrimp scampi, but I think I'm going to try something else this time. The last time we were here, Sharon got the eggplant. What looks good to you?
I don't know. I was looking at the manicotti.
I'm going to get the chicken Florentine. It's the first time I've tried that.
So I'm going to try the manicotti.
Manicotti, that sounds good. Okay, so I'm noticing that all the guys here going to the prom with their dates have got nothing but white shirts on. What happened to all the like colored shirts with the ruffles and all that stuff that I had for our...
You're dating yourself. That was long, long ago, and it stopped long, long ago.
So it's just white shirts now?
Yes.
How boring. So we got our salads, just a very simple dinner salad. I got blue cheese, she got ranch. Yeah, she also brought us some bread and some oil to dip it in. Yeah, it's got a nice little garlic taste to it. A little bit of a zing. It's good.
It's very garlicky.
Very garlicky,
Yes.
yes. Maybe they made it extra garlicky tonight to keep people from kissing each other.
Yeah, never stop.
Okay, there's Sharon's manicotti. That looks really good.
Yes.
It's my chicken Florentine.
Yeah, that's good.
Here we go. Oh, yeah. It's got like a lemon, maybe a little bit of garlic, but a creamy lemon sauce on it. Well, that was really good. I polished that off. Oh, wait a minute. What are those two boxes sitting next to you there?
Exactly.
Yeah, really big portions here.
Yes.
Couldn't finish it. But now we'll have another meal. Sharon's trying to decide what she wants for dessert now. I think we should order one of each and try them out here.
No.
Tiramisu here. That looks good.
Yes, it does.
Trying to get some of that chocolate sauce on here. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. There's hardly anything to it. It's like eating air.
Yes.
It's very light.
Perfect dessert.
It's good. Well, it was a little noisy in there,
It was.
but how was your dinner?
It was really good. Enjoyed the manicotti. It was nice and cheesy and tasted good.
I like the chicken. It had that nice citrus flavor to it. The chicken was very tender, and the spinach was cooked just right with it. And I ate all the spinach. Loved that.
Yeah.
And it had some sun-dried tomatoes in there. Had just a little bit of a tang to it there. So, very good meal.
Yes. And dessert was good too. The tiramisu.
Yes,
was
the
nice and
tiramisu
light.
was very light.
Nice way to end the meal.
It was. So I think that's going to do it for this week's vlog. Thanks for watching. We'd appreciate it if you click on that like button if you liked the video, and consider subscribing. Now, next week is the 4th of July, and we're not going to upload a video for that weekend. So enjoy the holiday, and we will see you on the streets.
Bye.